Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Webull app if we click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Webull app and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store, you will search about Webull app, then you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.